Okay, I would like to start with my last slide of the presentation. So thank you for coming for this webinar. And my name is Umut. I'm working as a business development manager at ETG Consulting. I have just one slide for ETG Consulting. We do Microsoft Dynamics ERP business for 20 years, and our office is in US, in New York, and which is I'm based in also in New York, and office in Atlanta, Georgia, at the West Coast and Midwest, and we have office in Vancouver City in Canada at the West Coast, and we have also offices in UK, in London and Istanbul for our European and Middle East operations. So we basically focus to 3 industries as a company. First is manufacturing. We also focusing to retail business, and healthcare is our third focused in the industry. We are top level of Microsoft partner, which means inner circle, which means the globally first percentage of the Microsoft Dynamics partners. So this is all about ETG Consulting. We are very focused ERP company and Microsoft partner for almost 20 years. So this is my first slide. So digital disruption is forcing every company and industry to rethink themselves. A huge part of this transition is about to reinventing how businesses engage with their customers and their business processes, and how they take advantage of the data and intelligence. And manufacturing is truly innovating with streamlined production and connected products. So the world that we live in today is fast and ever evolving, because our products now designed to be directly connected to customers, like Apple Watch and like the Tesla car. They are creating an always-on connection that gives us real-time insights. So it's about being able to reason over this data. So this is why data has become the new currency for organizations. Industries must take on a strategy that connects their customers, their employees, products and operations as effectively as possible, and connected business application strategy and implementation can support industries that are looking to disrupt. This framework we call digital feedback loop, and the framework we use to highlight how digital transformation is enabled, and at the center is, of course, data. Every single product at this point has ability to collect data. For example, my thermostat at my house, or every motors that manufacturing, like Brianna mentioned, they always, ability to collect data, and this information allows us to better understand our customers, our operations, which then allows us to go mine for intelligence, predict what customers may need, and taking all this information, these predictions which Kevin mentioned, and then feeding that back into your business processes. This is where the change is occurring. So this digital feedback loop concept across your core business processes is ultimately what allows you to go transform, to change your business, to change your processes, and ultimately to transform your industry, actually. It is what Microsoft doing across Office 365, Microsoft 365, LinkedIn, Azure, Dynamics 365, and the Power Platform that uniquely comes together that make it possible to enable digital transformation for Microsoft customers in a way that I think no other company provides for let's dive deeper into Dynamics 365. To execute on our strategy, Microsoft created a unique data system, and it removes the complexity of systems, and it's bringing ERP and CRM, I mean customer relationship management, together instead of silos. This fundamental technology shift set the foundation for Dynamics 365, an engine of intelligent applications that connect customers, products, people, and data, and help us break down silos. This includes, marketing, services, sales, operations, which includes the manufacturing, finance, and the talent, HR capabilities. And these products are infused with data and intelligence, connecting the Dynamics 365 applications with Power BI, Flow, and Power Apps. Together, these products compose our modern, unified, intelligent, and adaptable product line. By modern, we mean is mobile. You can see here for Microsoft Dynamics 365 ERPs, the power of the Microsoft Cloud and Azure is the core. And the top of that layer, you can see the lifecycle services, which continues life to your system, your software, and you can manage your business processes here. And above this layer, there is proven business logics like the modules of the ERP, and of course at the top level, intelligent user interface, Power BIs, and the other managerial reports. And Dynamics 365 ERP has key differentiations and intelligent insight. This is the turning data into actionable intelligence. So you can see the core product priorities under the finance, manufacturing, supply chain, and the retail sections. So, and right-hand side, productive experience means engage and empowered employees on the strength of productivity, even user experience and business processes, and of course the mobility. Mobility is the one of the key function and key differentiation for Microsoft ERP solutions. And the power of cloud. This is customer in control and business agility, scale with your business, and familiar developer tools to your technical developers and IT guys. So this is all includes in power of cloud section. And the business anytime, anywhere means mobilize your work, simple, powerful, cloud-powered, compliance, and intelligent cloud. So at the core of everything we do is to empower our customers to reimagine their businesses and grow at their own pace. Thus, we are giving customers the choice, choice and flexibility to select the deployment scenario that makes sense now, but also have the flexibility to change later with choices ranging from full cloud to cloud and edge to cloud business data. You can move in either direction depending on your business needs. And cloud deployments provide a cloud service that is easy to scale up or down as needed, as well as data centers that are fully managed by Microsoft. And the time spent implementing Microsoft ERP can be significantly shortened, and fewer customization may be required, and the cost of IT hardware and infrastructure are lower. Cloud deployments include high availability, disaster recovery, sandbox environments, and application lifecycle management combined with cloud-based system of intelligence, infrastructure, compute and database services in a single offering. Microsoft takes seriously and our commitment to safeguard to customers' data to protect their right to make decisions about that data, and to be transparent about what happens to that data. And we are guided by a set of trusted cloud principles that articulate our vision of what enterprise organizations are entitled to expect from their cloud provider. We mean social data connected to inform interactions and strengthen relationships, and with virtual and mixed reality, which the panelists after me will tell about more, that mixed reality and augmented reality or other virtual reality technologies. And Microsoft reshape the digital fabric or business. And with modularity, we enable customers to choose their own transformation pathway, and all of our applications are unified. This is one of the important things. At the end of the day, it's data that makes the unification possible. But it's not just Dynamics 365 ERP or CRM side, also Office 365 data and related to your structured business processes data too. So your unstructured communication, collaboration, creativity processes also relate into the structured business process data. And you can understand how many meetings did you have with this particular opportunity that you are managing in the sales module, for example. But it doesn't stop with your data. LinkedIn now is part of Microsoft. We also pull that data into this connected underlying data substrate. So now you are bringing signal not from your property systems, but from the social network, and understanding that this open opportunity is actually someone that knows someone that you know. And this is an open platform, and so bringing in all of our in our systems and allowing this data to collect in order to create intelligence ultimately, and then value as delivered through digitally transformed business processes. Yeah, with the machine learning is also part of these technologies. And Microsoft App Source, you can reach to Microsoft App Source, appsource.microsoft.com. This is the Microsoft marketplace, business marketplace, and it's rapidly growing. We have got over 6,000 applications for now, and over 2,000 ISV companies of Microsoft partners like ETG Consulting, and 1,400 plus specific ERP and applications published on AppSource. As ETG Consulting, we also published 6 of our solutions to AppSource, and in the very beginning of the next year, I hope we're gonna publish one of our mutual product for with BIMSEF, which is QDMS. This is the solution for the quality management. So we're gonna put our QDMS solution for Dynamics 365 on to the App Source in next couple months. And last year in September 2018, Nucleus Research recognized the Dynamics 365 ERP solution as a leader in ERP section. So customers are very interested in Dynamics 365 with 60% year-over-year increase in Gartner ERP inquiries. So this reaction of the press is also similar. I can easily say that the customers interested in Dynamics 365 are increasing. Yeah, this is the key impact of the what customers saying about the value of the Microsoft ERP. But I know I reached the end of my time, so I just want to see few customers from international, from USA, Umbra Group. They are using Microsoft ERP, and Maersk, one of the biggest sea lines, they use Microsoft ERP, and Chemonix and Renault Sport team for Formula One team, and Mattress Firm, and Actuator, Beerwolf, Hagler Systems, and Coipa Solar. These are all use Microsoft ERP, Microsoft Dynamics 365 ERP. And thank you for your time, and thank you, Kevin, for having me for this great webinar.